Subcribe.
It feels like I haven't done a Play-Doh set in a while, so let's mess around with the Toolin' Around playset.
This thing looks crazy!
Here's the back. We get a multi-tool, which includes a wrench, saw, knife, and more. Alright, well let's open up this set and see what we're working with. Here is a giant can of purple Play-Doh. And a giant can of red Play-Doh. And here are all the smaller cans of Play-Doh. We get a can of yellow Play-Doh. A can of pink Play-Doh. Orange Play-Doh. A can of green Play-Doh. And a can of blue Play-Doh. So this colorful tool here has 4 different cutter designs. And if we take these 4 cutters off the yellow cylinder, we have ourselves a little roller.
What a versatile tool!
Here are some wacky looking purple Play-Doh scissors. We get a small Play-Doh knife. Here's a purple mold to create some animals and an apple.
Flip!
Surprise! It's double-sided so we can create more molds. And here's another double-sided mold. We can create an owl, a rocket, flip it around. We can even create a key and an igloo. We also get a couple of mini extruders. Here's what shape we can make with the blue one. And here's the shape we can make with this green one.
Woo! This is the mother of all tools.
Let's check it out. We could create a circular mold. Here is a jagged Play-Doh knife. This is a regular Play-Doh knife. I'm gonna say this is some sort of stamp mold. Here's the Play-Doh bottle opener.
Wow, this thing has everything!
And this right here is a small little cutter. I know it said this was a multi-tool, but man, there's a lot of stuff. Okay, enough with the introduction, and let's start with some blue Play-Doh.
Woo, don't you look beautiful? What to make with this?
Well, I'll start by rolling it out. And let's grab the multi-tool. Let's see how well this Play-Doh knife works. Slice it up. Whoa, not too shabby. I gotta be careful with my fingers here. This Play-Doh knife cuts like butter. Well, we know that tool works. Let's do something with this pink Play-Doh now.
Nothing like opening up a fresh can of Play-Doh.
Alright, I'll roll this out again. Put this Play-Doh knife away. And how about we try this jagged Play-Doh knife now? It's time to slice it up one more time. Boom! Okay, this isn't as smooth as the other Play-Doh knife, but what did you expect? Even though it doesn't cut like butter, we get these awesome jagged designs on our Play-Doh. This tool will definitely come in handy. It's time for more Play-Doh fun! Let's use this green Play-Doh now. Instead of rolling it out this time, I just need a little chunk of green Play-Doh. Because we're gonna test out this extruder! Okay, I rolled out this mini Play-Doh, and it's time to extrude away! Whoa, check this out! We made 5 green strings! We'll use the Play-Doh scissor to cut it up. What can we make with this? Nothing yet. We're gonna need some more green strings. Round 2. Get the scissors again. Woo! Here, let me show you a close-up so you can see how it comes out.
Whoa!
But with this extruder, we can make spaghetti. Although, I don't think you want to eat green spaghetti.
Oh, there is pesto, I guess.
We can make hair, and you could use the scissors to cut it. We can make string cheese, grass. What else? You guys have any ideas? Anywho's, just like that, we were able to create a bunch of the same shapes with this extruder. It's a really useful tool. Oh, we're bringing the big boys out now. Let's use this giant can of purple Play-Doh.
Ooh, this is magnificent.
Alright, with this one, how about we flatten out the purple Play-Doh? I'll try to do the best with my hands, but eventually, I'll need a roller. Use this yellow one. Whew! I knew this was a lot of Play-Doh, but I didn't know it was this ginormous. This is a workout. Now, remember that colorful tool with all those cutters we saw earlier? Let's assemble it back together. And roll it across this Play-Doh. Oop. Okay, keep going. What? This is so awesome! Check out all the designs we made. One of them looks like a road. Alright, just like I did with the extruder, let me show you a close-up of the cutters rolling across the Play-Doh.
Whoa!
Oh, we got another giant in the building. Time to use some red Play-Doh. I'll only need a little bit of this because we're gonna make some molds now. I'll make this one first. When you make the molds, be sure to firmly pat your Play-Doh all around so that you can get all the details. One final pat, and let's take it out. Here's a red teddy bear. What should we name this bear? I'll name it Bearific. Grab some of the blue Play-Doh again and create another mold. And we made, a cute little puppy. I'll name you Drooly, because your tongue's sticking out. Let's use some more pink Play-Doh to create another mold. Give it a nice pat down. And we made an adorable kitty. I'll name you Whiskers. I like that name. Okay, we got one more mold to make, and I'll use the green Play-Doh for this one. And we made a delicious green apple. Wow, these molds are perfect. You can see all the designs, and they're so colorful. Now, let's work on this yellow mold tray. Use some of the purple Play-Doh. And I bet you've never seen this before. A purple piggy. I'll name ya Oinkers. Now let's use some red Play-Doh. To make a red rocket. We'll need a little more blue Play-Doh. Everyone, say hi to our blue owl, Mr. Hoot. Let's use some pink Play-Doh this time. And we made ourselves a pink question mark.
Question, what's next?
We got one more mold to make, and we'll use the green Play-Doh. And we made a green nail. Check out all these molds. We nailed it.
You think you're so funny.
Well, this was a lot of fun. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to watch more. See you soon. Also, if you haven't done so already, be sure to follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. The links are in the description box below.